Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have the Cincinnati 750H 14. This hydraulic press brake can handle 750 tons. It is 18 feet long, fully functional, and it's estimated around 113,000 pounds to move. So we are doing the functioning video right here in the shop floor of the previous owner. Full specifications will be listed in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Cincinnati 750H 14. For any further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.